Good morning. We're live. This is 5 a.m. Mester Scrum Show. I think it's our 501st episode. I can't tell what. Hold on, I got my watch. It's 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. here on the East Coast Standard Time. I'm out remote, as you can see. Going out here in our local little area doing a show. It's quiet, it's still 9, no one's up. And I want to talk about cleanup backlogs. Sorry if I'm moving the stand a little bit and a little crooked there. There we go. Hey, it's about 37 degrees out, my watch. And that's going to be another episode, how it doesn't update. Because right now my watch says it's like 23 degrees Fahrenheit and it's more like 39. So it's cold. It's a little chilly out here. I came out here to do some cleaning of the local river. Kind of like clean out your backlog, get fresh in the new year. Haven't been here in a while. It's been a busy fall, and I figured there's no one here because it's cold, except for people walking their dogs and doing stuff like that. So that's cool. They're out there. My dogs are probably like, why aren't you taking us? So get some joggers, some walkers, doggies. Everybody's out. But and the new year is a good time to clean out your backlog, get a fresh look, get things going, clear out your minds, get ready to do some work. And I just wanted to share some stuff out here while I'm out, because you know it's kind of boring to be in the office all the time. We're always in the same spot, so kind of wanted to show this. I don't know if you can see it. Where's my hand? There's my hand. Right there. Soy sauce packet. Anyway, thought I'd share that. And the weather, and the trash, and the leaves, and the rain. Everything's here on the beach. So I'm going to do some clean up some needles. There's always needles here from when the drug users come out here and try to make happiness through drugs and other stuff. Sorry for the movement of the camera, for me being right there. But it's always good to do some hard work, clean up, freshen your mind up. This is going to be a short one because it is live out in the middle of nowhere. I'm not quite as early as I wanted to be. Getting stuff done, getting ready. Haven't done this in a while. Get your equipment ready. All I have is a little stand, nothing fancy. But I just want to wish everybody a happy new year. You know, if you need to take a break, walk away for a little bit, do some stuff. Great thing is like clean up trash on a riverbed. I have a good connection out there, and in the UK he cleans up stuff. Likes to clean up his riverbed. Done a great job with his organization. Saw a hawk yesterday, so I figured I'd go out to nature and hang out for a little bit, do some work. Definitely not taking the dogs because I wouldn't get anything done if the dogs are here. But again, take some time while everybody's getting back in the shape. Probably could have done it during the holiday when a lot of people are out of the office. Go through your backlog. Look for stuff that's been in there for a long time, and just like, if you ain't ever going to get to it, just, to be honest, you can archive it or delete it. Just delete it off your backlog. You're going to have fresh new ideas because there's some new shit coming out. Excuse my French, but there's new, and it's not French, but there's new stuff coming out in the world. It's going to change everything that you see. And backlog's not going to last for more than 6 months. It's going to change. Anyway, I wish you all happy scrumming and take care. And see you tomorrow. How do I shut this off? That's a good question. Do we get the X button? Yep. One stop. Take care. Check out the world. See things. Nice weather. And I'll see you later.